Hey guys, and welcome back to another try on haul. It feels like I haven't done one of these in months. Anyways, I'm back to do another Boohoo try on haul. I'm actually really excited for this one. Not gonna lie, the pieces that I picked out are really random. Like there's so many different types of clothing. As always, I will leave a link to all pieces in the description box down below if you guys want to check it out. So for this video, I thought I would do a little styling style video with jewelry, a handbag, maybe some shoes. And I have found, okay, you know the jeans that you guys always ask me about? They're not, like, no longer in stock, but I found some dupes and I think I like these ones better. Keep watching if you want to see a dupe of my like all-time favorite jeans. I honestly think that those Boohoo jeans are literally the comfiest like boyfriend jeans that I own. I absolutely love them. So yeah, let's go ahead and try on these clothes. Okay, these are the jeans I was talking about. So I have ones really similar but in a darker denim color, and they've got like a massive rip in the knee as well. They kind of, not so much flare, but they're obviously not tapered at the ankles, which is what I love. I love this style of jean. I got a size 12 and oh my god, I'm so glad that I did. I feel like if I got my normal size, which is a 10, I wouldn't have been able to fit these around my waist. This is a bralette, obviously from Boohoo. I think it does come with like a matching thong, or you can buy the thong separately, but I just wanted the bralette. Obviously, I'm obsessed with chocolate brown, and I feel like bralettes like this can go with everything. Like I picked so many like throws like this. I probably wouldn't wear this together, but like these style of shirts, like the satin or even non-satin long sleeve, kind of like that men's business shirt vibe is in at the moment, especially paired with swimwear. So you could definitely wear one of these as like a kimono style top with swimwear. I'll show you guys the other ones that I got, but I got this in black. So you obviously could wear it that way, or you could wear it like this. I don't even know why I took it off. My nails are literally snapping off, like they're lifting so bad. I need to get them done. So you could wear it like this. So one tucked in and then like loose like that. That's really cute with like a skirt or even these jeans if you want that look. You could also fold these up if you don't want it all the way. I kind of like this. Like you obviously could button this up, but I kind of like it how it's flowing like that. So you could wear a top like this, like that way, or if you wanted a cropped moment and tie it in a bow. And then you've got like a cute cropped long sleeve top. So that's why I love these kinds of tops. They're so versatile. So I'll show you guys the other colors that I got. So I got this gorgeous satin, and then I got a chocolate brown one. Like I said, you could wear it heaps of different ways, like bunched up like this, tucked in. So I got that one. And then I also got this because it kind of reminded me of the Burberry, the brand, like that kind of print. This is the other top. Like I just love this look at the moment. These are all in a size 10. So I would say they're like more of an oversized fit. Like I wouldn't say they're fitted on me. So this is the other one. I think I probably would wear this one done up and like tucked in, I reckon. Like that. That's cool with a little bag. Maybe this? Surely. Yeah, that is cute. I actually love it with this underneath. Okay, this is my favorite outfit so far, but I've got some really bomb dresses as well. So, okay. These, oh wait, I've got one more, one sec. Okay, this one is like the typical dad shirt. Dad work shirt, business vibe. I obviously wouldn't wear it with this bralette, but you get the gist. Really cool to wear over swimwear. Like I just love this. I love this look. Thought I'd show you guys what it looks like with some bikinis. How cute is this little throwover? Love it. Even though it literally looks like a men's business shirt, I think it looks really cute with swimwear. I think it would look even cuter with white, but I just felt like wearing black today. But yeah, I just thought I'd quickly add this in so you can see what it looks like with swimwear. Okay, this dress, high. Very risque, but I actually love this fabric. I've got quite a few dresses in this sort of stretchy fabric. It's hard to explain, but I find it really, really flattering. Okay, my battery just died, but as I was saying, yeah, it's such a flattering fabric. Like, it just sits on you. It doesn't, like, it's not super tight. It doesn't show all your lumps and bumps. It's such a nice material. I got this in like a lime color because I was so obsessed with it. I must say though, if you were to go out in this dress, I would probably wear nipple covers underneath. Okay, so that's the length of this dress. It goes down just past the knees, but you could like hitch it up if you wanted it shorter. But yeah, it's just so flattering on my body. I absolutely love it. Like I said, I got this dress also in a lime green, so I'm gonna change that in 3, 2, 1. How nice is that? I feel like you would have to wear nipple covers with this. Like, it's not too bad. Like, you can just see my nipples. It's such a nice summer color. And how cute does it look with like a pink bag? I just love these colors together. And like a pink lip would look cute as well. Ooh, and pink hair, forgot about that. So yeah, they're the 2 dresses that I got, and then I've got a couple more outfits. Okay, next tea, I wore this in my stories the other day, and I got so many questions asking where it was from. It's from Boohoo. It's so cute. It's a little tweedy. I think it's like part of their Looney Tunes collection from memory. Tweedy with a little angel halo on the top, and it's like severely oversized. I think I got this one in a large from memory. Okay, it doesn't say, but yeah, I would have gotten in a large. I get all of my t-shirts, like oversized t-shirts in a large. So yeah, it could like pass as a, what's it called? T-shirt dress. Like with some sneakers. What bag? This bag? That's cute. Surely. Kind of like hides the tweedy, but yeah. This is how you could style an oversized tee, chuck on some sneakers, even like Nike Air Forces would look really cute, and just like an over-the-shoulder bag, you know? Okay. Okay guys, I actually love this outfit. I put it on and I was like, does it look goth? Like too much black, but I actually really like it. I wish I got these in a 12. So these are like cargo pants. So that's the material of these. Like, these are quite fitted for me. And yeah, they are a 10, but I think a 12 would have been like perfect. I just don't like things, it doesn't look tight, but like for me, that's tight. Like, I've got a little bit of like overhang here. I reckon 12 would have been absolutely perfect, but this top, how cute is it? I think I would have to either hide the drawstring because there's too much string happening, or do it up, or like tighten this so it's not as, hold on, I'll show you guys the top. So that's the top. I got this one in a 10, fits perfect, love it. I love this stretchy sort of fabric. I love the sleeves. It's really flattering. Like, you could wear this top with anything, any of those jeans that I tried on. Actually, I only tried on one pair, but I could definitely see myself wearing these with like jeans or a skirt or like long flowy pants if you've got them. This is a really cool, like, it's like dressy, but you could also dress it down by wearing sneakers, which is what I've got on. Some pink sneakers, and then again, like a crossbody bag or something. Oh my God, that's cool. Okay, you can't even see my face. Yeah, this is a really cool outfit. What glasses would I wear? These? No. Let's check this. Ooh, these ones are nice. And then for jewelry, like, I feel like jewelry just makes an outfit stand out even more, whether it's wearing some earrings or wearing a necklace or wearing some rings. I'm obviously obsessed with jewelry. Duh, I have my own brand, but like, I'm not saying you have to wear rings on every finger, but just like one nice ring or like one pair of like really nice hoops. They don't have to be like big like this. I obviously have so many piercings, so I always have earrings in. A necklace, you can layer them. Like, I just feel like jewelry really makes an outfit stand out. I would never be seen without jewelry. I wear my jewelry every day. That's pretty much the new styles that I got, and I hope that this kind of helped, or if you guys got some inspo with some of the tops that I picked out. Like those long sleeve tops are a vibe, and like I feel like you'll see them all over Instagram now this summer. I feel like they are just starting to be on trend, so just you wait. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you love my try on hauls, as it helps me out a lot. And like I said, all the links to all the pieces that I tried on today will be down below for you guys, so you can shop them. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next one.